PC mode, so the keyboard and mouse are present. And it works the way I've shown you in the demo. I get a start menu, I get windows when I launch them, but the key is when I remove the mouse and keyboard, and now my device is in tablet mode, you can confirm as a user that you want to use it in tablet mode, and now a few simple things change. The apps run full screen. When you click on Start, it gives you a full screen view, so you can use your hand to choose from a wider range of things. That's an option that you can have wherever you like. When you launch apps know they're running in this touch mode, so their UI can scale up, and that enables things like writing with a pen or even writing with your finger. And then as you task switch, you stay in that tablet mode, optimized for taking advantage of the screen real estate and your hand moving around. Now, when the keyboard and mouse comes back, the system detects this, asks if you want to exit, and then it simply switches, leaving all your running apps the way they were, but now giving you the simple start menu and overlapping windows. So this leverages the things that Windows 7